I used to think that ingredients like ginger, bay leaves, and cloves were merely common cooking spices, until my grandmother showed me how to combine them to create a drink that is incredibly aromatic and miraculously soothing for the throat. Whenever the weather turns cold or when I have a hoarse voice and congestion, I prepare a jar of this syrup to use over the following days. If you're also experiencing any respiratory discomfort, join me in making this natural remedy right now. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to connect with all of you. Our process begins with ginger. A small but important note, ginger often has a lot of dirt trapped in its tiny crevices. I usually soak the ginger in diluted salt water for about 5 minutes to fully soften any stubborn grime. Then, use a small brush to scrub the outer skin clean. A tip from years of experience, use a spoon to scrape the skin instead of a knife. This allows us to preserve the maximum amount of precious nutrients located right under the surface. How about you? Do you usually peel the ginger or leave the skin on when cooking? Let me know in the comments. After scraping it clean, we slice the ginger into very thin pieces. This thinness is key to allowing active compounds like gingerol to easily release and dissolve into the water during boiling. Now, pour 500 milliliters of clean water into the pot. Then add the freshly sliced ginger and 6 bay leaves right from the start. Bring this mixture to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling vigorously, a tip from years of experience, you must lower the heat to the minimum setting immediately. Now, we begin adding the cloves. Adding cloves last is a crucial technique to retain the maximum amount of essential oils and medicinal properties, as they are highly volatile at high temperatures. Maintain a gentle simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat immediately. This patience ensures the antiseptic compounds are dissolved without being degraded. Then, let the mixture cool naturally. This process allows the active ingredients from the bay leaves and ginger to fully infuse into the water, creating a powerful protective barrier for your respiratory system. Once the mixture has cooled completely, use a strainer to remove the ginger, bay leaves, and cloves. At this point, you'll have the purest essence with its signature rich aroma. Then add 4 tablespoons of honey. Stir gently until the honey is completely incorporated into the liquid. A vital note from a scientific perspective: never add honey while the liquid is still hot. High temperatures will destroy the live enzymes and diminish the most precious nutrients found in honey. Waiting patiently for the liquid to cool is how you honor the natural antibiotics gifted by the earth, ensuring your syrup reaches its maximum healing potential. So, I finished making this ginger, bay leaf, clove, and honey syrup to use over the next few days. This is more than just a drink. It's a natural therapy to warm the lungs and help clear phlegm from the throat. This mixture works to warm the lungs, supporting the thinning and clearing of phlegm, thanks to the potent anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, combined with the antiseptic power of cloves. As for usage, I usually mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of this essence with a bit of warm water. Drinking it while warm not only provides instant throat relief, but also allows the herbal aroma to bloom much more intensely. On days with a heavy cough or excessive phlegm, I take an extra dose in the evening, about an hour before bedtime. This timing allows the essential oils to coat and soothe the throat lining throughout the night, preventing dry coughs that disrupt sleep. It's a small but highly effective secret to letting your lungs rest. As for storage, I always seal the jar tightly and keep it in the refrigerator. This helps preserve the full herbal flavor and ensures the active compounds remain effective for about 7 days. Thank you for following the ginger, clove, and bay leaf syrup recipe that my grandmother used to make. I hope this natural remedy helps your family quickly overcome coughs and throat discomfort. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me in creating more health-focused videos from my little kitchen. Wishing you all constant health and peace. I'll see you all in the next sharing videos.